Google AdSense money exposed. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this super quick video, I'm going to share with you a program that I just bought like 5 minutes ago. This program is supposed to teach you how to build a six-figure a year income online using AdSense and similar sites like AdSense. Okay, if you're not familiar with what AdSense is, Google AdSense. It's basically where you have some sort of platform, mainly your own website, WordPress, blog, or whatever, and you put ads on it, right? Every time somebody clicks an ad, you earn some money. It's that simple. Google AdSense has been around forever. It's like one of the original ways to start making money online. And a lot of people don't talk about using Google AdSense no more. A lot of people mainly talk about, YouTube, when it comes to like ads, YouTube and Facebook and stuff, Instagram. A lot of people haven't been talking about Google AdSense, so this is very, very interesting. I discovered this course from email I got. I'm on several email lists. So looked at it and I'm like, well, this looks interesting. Because if you watch my channel, guys, if you're a subscriber or you ain't, whatever, you'll realize that I'm all about multiple streams of income. If you're watching this video and you ain't down with multiple streams of income, you're missing out. You're losing out. So I'm always looking for different opportunities. And just try them out, see if they work. If they do, great, I'll push it more. If not, I keep it moving. But AdSense is one of the ways that I originally started making money years ago, 8-9 years ago. Haven't really made too much with AdSense lately, been focusing on YouTube money. So this is very, very interesting to me. So what I'm gonna do is, like I said, I just bought this course like 5 minutes ago. I'm going to go through it, I'm going to implement it, and probably come back in a couple weeks and keep it 100% real with you. What I think about the course, have I started making any sort of money with it, and to take it from there. Because if this do work, right, then I'm just going to add another income stream to the game, right? So I already got affiliate marketing, I got YouTube, I got Kindle, and the stock market. I just got into that. So if I could just keep building up, keep adding to it, then that's great. You know what I'm saying? The more income streams you can have and the more passive there are, the better off you will be. All right. So I'll put a link to this course in the description, or you could just look up. I never did say the name. I never said the name of the course. The name of the course is called Madsense. All right. Madsense Revolution. It's from a guy named Tom. Yeah, I can't even say his last name. I can't. Yazovic. I don't know, but Tom. This is his course. Obviously, there were some upsells that came with this. I did not get any of them. I figured if this course is that good, as good as the sales letters say it is, then I'm gonna do everything that's taught in the main course. And if I start making money with it, then I might go back and get some of the upsells. But I gotta start seeing some money first, right? So that's the name of the course. Just got it. I'm gonna try it out, and I'll be back in a couple weeks. You know what I'm saying, and give you some results, let you know how it was. All right. So if you're not a subscriber, you can subscribe right now. Hit the subscribe button. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can check back in a few weeks, find out if I made some more money with Google AdSense. Be sure to subscribe. Did I already say that? That's too early. All right, peace.
If you're not living your life like a boss, then click the link above or below this video and find out why you should definitely have your own home business and how easy it is to start one. See you on the other side.